Hello, everyone. Jim here from Storm Warning News. It is Tuesday, January 9, 2024. Late Monday afternoon, there was an explosion at the Sandman Signature Hotel in Fort Worth, Texas. Now, 11 people were injured, 2 in serious condition during this explosion, which is now being called a natural gas explosion. Uh, there were reports of people smelling something that smelled like paint, excuse me, just before the explosion took place. There were also reports of the aroma of natural gas in the area. Fortunately, it appears that no one has been killed in this. But let's have a look at a couple of videos here as posted by Roz Alerts on X. Here we are. That is some of the aftermath. Here is more.
So what was it? Was it that apartment?
There, everybody's running back in there. And he sold it to
There's somebody.
So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Again, it appears no one, fortunately, was killed in that explosion. Was it really a natural gas explosion? Was it something else? Time will tell. Wanted to bring that to your attention. Craziness. Through that craziness, through all craziness, and through every day, keep pressing into Jesus with everything you have, because He is all we need. And please, if you would, check out the link below in the description area to my brand new fiction book release, Urgent, a Wayfarer story, available in Kindle, Kindle Unlimited, and print. It is book 7 of the Wayfarer story series. It is end times fiction. It is also interpersonal relationships, people being people. It is gritty, it is edgy, it is unconventional. Please check it out. Thank you so much. This is Jim signing off. Until the next time, God bless you.